You know what? It certainly seems like I cannot get away from muddy hiking trails. Okay, we're at a crossroads and a creek crossing.
Are you ready?
Yo YouTube, what's up? It's Triple P. How you guys doing? I'm out in Westerville, Ohio, looking for some caches and a little bit of hiking. Let's go see what we can find. Here we go. All right, so we are in Hoover Dam Park, but not in Colorado. All right guys, we're right here in the woods and we're at our first cache. Let's grab it. Here we go. Oh no. Yeah, no, I'm not digging in there. That's a big fat no for me. Let's see if it's somewhere else. Yes. Yes, it's right here. Okay, the next cache is on the other side of this lake right here, and we've got to go through this disaster to get over to the other side. Oh! Whoa! 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 Oh man! Hopefully I can step on these leaves. All right, up we go. Woo! We did it. Now, let's just get to the cache. Alright, here's a better view of the lake that I was showing you earlier. Pretty big. What's not to love about this view? Holy smokes, let's do it. Okay, let's go get the geocache. Here we go. Okay, we're close. We're about 20 feet away. That's the beep. Let's grab it. No. There's a couple of rocks on the ground. Nope. Looks like another cache with the coordinates might be off. Okay, check it out. We literally are just roaming around. You know, there's the tree I was just looking at, and the cache is just sitting right here out on the ground. This is it. It says geocache on it. I have no idea where this goes, but that's the cache, so I'm glad I found it. All right, we are on the trail here, and we are closing in on the next geocache. Is it underneath here? Wait, is this it here? No. Not it. That's where I would have thought it would be. Oh, those are nasty thorns. Keep them away from me. Yes! Got it. Oh, man. Do you see it? There it is. Let's reach in and grab it. Heck yeah. We got a logbook. Yeah. And all the jerry here is just like coins and stuff. This way maybe? Beep! 33.29. The last one was off by 36 feet. 23. We're right at 9 feet. Alright, here we go again. Okay, I did a lot of off-camera searching. The coordinates are off pretty bad. Boom, son. Fake rock at the base of a tree. Yes! Oh yeah, by the way, that, and that, and that, and that, and that. That's all poison ivy. So it's good to know that it's hidden in a batch of poison ivy. You know what? It certainly seems like I cannot get away from muddy hiking trails. It's just one episode after another, where I'm just on these muddy trails. Park. It's a nature preserve of some sort. And we're on our way to get the cache. Let's check it out. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Is it underneath here? No. Got it. God. I can never just have a straightforward cache. Everything's got to be really difficult. Why? Oh man, I'm very glad that there's no cache in the middle of this. That would be the worst experience ever. Very pretty though. Okay, on to the next cache in this park. Okay, we're at a crossroads and a creek crossing. We're gonna go straight across. Okay. Hallowed be thy name. Is it in there? Is it underneath all this? No, it's not gonna move. What about in here? No. I don't know where it is. I'll just keep looking. Wow, this was a hard hide. I walked by it several times and I just spotted it. Let's grab it. This is worthy of a good hide. Look at this. There's a nook right here and the cache is right in here. Oh no, I dropped it. There it is. It's a little spice container. Spice up your life. Alright guys, this waterfall right back here is where I'm going to wrap up this adventure video. If you're not a Geocaching with Triple P subscriber yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Help me reach 50 subs by the end of 2020. And I'll see you guys out on the trail. Have a good one.